So welcome all. Now let's we discuss very important topic in your databases. Here what is meant by joins. So generally what is meant by joins means joins help retrieving data from two or more tables. Nothing but in order to perform integration of two or more tables will perform joins. Okay. So generally these tables are mutually related. How we are related means how the connection will be there. In order to perform joins there should be primary keys and foreign keys. So we'll discuss with a simple example how we need to discuss it. So we'll increase the font size. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, fine. Password is root. Now show databases. So I have a table called demo. We'll use some already. You already know, right, how to create foreign keys and primary keys. So I'm using a demo table. Okay, now I'm selecting. So if you want to check what tables it present means show tables. So after that you can check it. Let's take two tables I'm having. I'm having a table called customers. Select a star from customers. So one more table. So see, in this table, now CID is a primary key. So what is a primary key? Whose column is unique and as well as it should not have any null values. So in this entire table, one thing is unique and should not have null is your CID, your CID. So that is customer ID is a primary key. If this same customer ID comes in another table is called as a foreign key, is called as a foreign key. Now see, I'm writing one more table. I just want to display what is your orders table. Orders. Now this is my orders table. So I'm having here 101, 102, 103. So if you observe here 1001, okay, this is my order ID. This is my order ID. Who ordered a pen drive? Now who ordered? Now I want to check who is this OC ID. Who is the customer ID? Okay. Who is number 5? Here number 5 is Mr. Durga Suresh. Mr. Durga Suresh. Got it. So like that, now this CID acts as a primary key. OCID acts as a foreign key. We already know how to create primary keys and foreign keys. So I'm not going to waste the time here. Okay. So just check the previous video how to create your primary key and foreign key. Now I want to perform joins. Now joins are of actually 4 types. Joins are of 4 types in MySQL. First one is your inner join. Inner join. Remember, inner join is nothing but intersection or common or common. Let us take here. There is a table called customers. There is a table called customers in which customer ID is your primary key. Customer ID is a primary key. Okay. So there is one more table called orders, which is my foreign key table, in which OC ID is foreign key. OC ID is a foreign key, and there is one more key called OID is primary key. Primary key. This OID is going to be used as a foreign key in some other table. In future, if you want to use OID as a foreign key for some other table, you can use it. So these are the properties and constraints of your customers and orders. Now I want to display only few columns from the tables. If you observe here, in orders you have some columns like this: order ID, order name, order customer ID, order cost. If you observe your customers table, I am having customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, location, salary, age and experience. Now I don't want everything. Now what I want means, now I want only what is customer ID, customer first name, and next of all what is order ID and order name and order cost. If you observe these two columns belongs to which table? These two columns belongs to customers table, whereas these 3 columns belongs to orders table. These are 2 different tables, right? Now how you are going to perform join? Now try to check it. Select what is your first table name. Your first table name is customers. So first what join we need to perform? Inner join. Which table name? Orders. On which basis? Obviously on which basis we need to join means on which basis? By using primary key and foreign key. What is your primary key table? Customer. What is your primary key in that table? CID. What is your foreign key table? orders. What is your foreign key in that OCID? Now how I'm going to join means like this. My first table name, customers. What is my primary key? Need to relate it. And again, what is my foreign key table? Second table, nothing but orders. What is my foreign key? OCID. What is it? OCID. Just give me one minute. I can copy this thing. Control C. Now I want to perform. So it should not, it didn't copy it. Just give me one more minute so that I can copy perfectly. Yes, copy. Now try to execute it. Okay, enter. Now see what happened here. It is printing commonly, right? CID, CF name is belongs to customer table, whereas OID, order name, order cost belongs to second table. See, now what it is printing 5 Durga, it's matching it, it's matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, don't try to say that, sir, 2 is duplicated, sir. So here 2 is Ravi who ordered order ID as 1003 mobile. If it is, this is not duplicate now. So this is now Ravi can order multiple things, right? So Ravi ID and name will be common, nothing but this Gmail ID. Let us imagine simple. We are using Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime ID and as well as what is that? Your name will be common, whereas your order IDs might be different, right? I can order different items. Their orders will different. No, I can't call as this as a duplicates, right? Yeah, this is the different item. So got it. There is your common things. So I will explain you with better example of inner join. A simple example. Let's take. I have a customer table whose customers ID are like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next table is your orders table. Let us imagine I have 4, 5, 6, 4. Okay. So if you observe now what I'm having 6 in orders table. Do you have any information of 6 here? I don't have any information, right? So what it will print mean? It will take first of all common things. 1 is present, try to check. Is 1 is present here? No. Is 2 is present? No. No, right? Is 3 is present? No. Is 4 is present? Yes. 4 present. So it will print the 4 data. Again, try to check. Is 5 is present? Yes. Again, 4 is present, right? Try to check. 4 is present. Means 4 might have ordered 2 different order IDs. So that's why 2 different items he ordered. So that's why it will display. But if you check, do you have any 6? No. So answer will be what? 4, 5, 4. Answer will be what? 4, 5, 4. Same thing they're happening. Same thing they're happening. Okay, now that is your inner join. That is your inner join. So while coming to your next thing, we have outer joins. We have outer joins. Now let's discuss what is meant by your outer joins. So outer joins are classified into 2 types. One is your right join. Another one is left join. We call as a left outer join or right outer join. Now we'll see. First of all, what is your left join? Always remember your primary key table, try to consider as a left table. Okay. Your foreign key table, try to consider as a right table. As a right table. Got it? As a right table. Now what I am going to do means just try to perform same thing. So what I am going to do means I will write apart, just instead of right join, I will write, instead of inner join, I will write left join. Okay. See, sorry. Now what I will do means just I will copy paste, instead of inner join, I will write now right join. It's not copying properly. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Now this is your left join. So what is my left join? So if you observe my customer tables, my dear, if you observe my customer table, select star from, what is it? Select star from customers. So what are my primary keys? 1 to 15. So I need to check whether 1 have ordered anything, 2 have ordered anything, 3 have ordered anything, like that. So we'll check each and every attribute. We'll check each and every attribute. Now if you are going to check here, yes, 1 ordered only 1 item, 2 ordered 2 items, 3 ordered 1 item, 4 ordered 1 item, 5 ordered 2 items, 6 ordered 2 items, 7 ordered 1 item, 8 ordered 1 item, 9 ordered 2 items, 10 ordered, 11 ordered. But now 12, 13, 14, 15 haven't ordered anything. So that's why we don't have any information in orders table. So that's why it is getting as a null, 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 because we don't have information, right? Like that we can performing. Like that we are performing your left to join. Left join. Now how to perform your right join? Now instead of left join, try to write a syntax called right join. Right join. Now see, what is your right table? If you observe your right table, so just try to check now orders table. Select a star from orders. Select a star from orders. See, 1, 0. See here, 5, 1, 2, 3, okay, 9, 2, 9, up to here. Okay, fine. Everything is present in your which table? Customer table. But now if you're going to observe what is the order customer ID 16. Now try to check your order customer ID. Select star from customers. Do you have any ID called 16 here? Do you have any ID called 16? So we don't have order 16, right? But in orders table we have information here, right? But might be we might have deleted your 16th information. So that's why now it is missing, right? It is not showing. So that's why what I am getting as a 16 field I am getting as a null because we don't have in my table. I don't know what is 16th, nothing but 16 ID and as well as his names. I don't have any details about this 16. So got it. This is your right join. This is your right join. Fine. So this is your right join. Now in your MySQL, there is one more join. Suppose if I have written like this, select star customers comma orders. Now this will perform cross join, nothing but Cartesian product. See, your eyes will going to bother, you know. Okay. So what is Cartesian product means? I hope everyone knows your Cartesian product. Nothing but what is your cross join? What is your cross join means? Let's take you have one set. One set is 1, 2, 3. Another set I am having 4, 5. Now what is the Cartesian join or Cartesian product? Now one should be combined with 4. That is one set. Next one should be combined with 5. That should be one set. Same like that 2 need to combine with 4. And again 2 need to combine with 5. Again 3 need to combine with 4. So like that, again 3 need to combine with 5. Like that 3 into 2, 6, proper 6 combinations is printing, right? Cross join. Same like that, I am having how many rows in customers table 15 and how many rows in order 16. So 15 into 16, just now, okay, perform how many tables of product Cartesian, it will bring some 240 here. It is performing some 240. So what it, so 15 into 16, 240. Total 240 combinations it is printing. That is called as a cross join. That is called as a cross join. Now, whenever in MySQL, if you want to perform full join, it is not possible. Whenever you want to perform full join, it is not perform. See, it is unable to do it. So your MySQL doesn't support a keyword called full join. Your MySQL doesn't support a keyword called full join. So that's why again, what we need to learn means we need to one more topic called what is mean by union and union all. What is mean by union and what is mean by union all. What is mean by union all. Okay, let's perform what is union and union all with simple example. As we already have a knowledge about what things. So we have already knowledge about what is your left to join. Okay, now I'm having right join. I want to perform what will be the answer for combination of left to join union right join. So I'm going to write it. Select order ID, order name, order cost from customers. Left to join orders on same primary key. So what is your primary key table? Customers. What is your primary key column? Orders.ocid. If any mistakes, we'll rectify it. Okay. See now, see what is it doing? It is performing same just like your left to join. Same like that your left to join. It is giving same like your left to join. So if you perform your left to join, my dear, if you perform your left to join, try to check. So this is your left join, right? This is your left join. Now if you perform here same, it will be same like that only. See here what happened, 5 it is printed like here first here. Okay, problem, no problem, 5. 2 times. If you observe same thing here, it is also same. See, it is in very ordered. Okay, that is your union. That is your union. Generally, if you're going to discuss in sets, what is meant by union here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In second set, I'm having like this: 4, 3, next 5, 6. Now, what's the union? Now, answer will be what? Now, answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your union, right? This is your union. Now, what is meant by union means it's a combination of everything, allowing with duplicates, allowing with duplicates. Now, see, instead of unions, now I'm going to write union all. What I am doing, it's a combination of left to join and right join. I'm union all. Now, what it will do means it will print both right join and left to join. It will print both left to join and right join. See, so first what it is printing both left to join and right join. From here to here, it is what? This is your right join. This is your right join. And from here to here, what is it? That is your left to join. This is your left to join. Okay. So that's a combination, nothing but union all. That is full join. That is full join. First, it is printing right join in syntax and performing union all, right? So that's why it is performing what? Combination, both. That is your union and union all. So now it's very hectic, right? In order to print a full join, I need to write this much query. It is always headache to write, right? Now what I will do means, now I will try to save this thing as like this. Now I will try to save this whole thing with some view name. Now again, in order to call this table, I can't write this much of syntax. This is only 2 lines, no bother. Sometimes we're going to write 50 lines, 60 lines to generate some tables. So at that time, again, to generate the table, to see that table, it is very hard to write that much query, right? So what we will do means we will try to save it as some name, create view name. So let us, what is meant by view name means I am performing full join view, nothing but full join view as your complete statement. Now this whole statement will be going to save as full join view. Now I'm joins are nothing, views are nothing but some temporary tables. Now we'll see our virtual table. We'll see what is this, all those things we'll see, don't worry. Okay, so table full join already, I suppose I have already created. Take some another name. Views. Okay. Now after that, select a star from perform full join views. Full join views. I think might have written a spelling mistake. Full join views. It is your full join views. Just give me 1 minute. So what's the mistake? From spelling mistake is wrong, right? Okay, select a star from full join views. No, it is full join view. That is your full join view. Now let's discuss some summary points regarding your joins and introduction about your views. Okay. Now what is the summary of your joins? So joins, what we have learned so far, joins allows us to combine data from more than one table into single result set, as well as joins have better performance compared to subqueries. Very good. And next of all, what we have learned, inner join returns only common elements, right? Okay. And what are outer joins we have discussed? We have discussed left join and right join. So whenever there is no matching value, it is going to write as null values, right? Null. And next of all, the major join types includes inner, left to outer join, right outer join, and cross join. And as well as we also discuss full join. The frequently used clause in joins is what? Your on, right? How you are going to use on? See, like this: on your primary key equal to foreign key, nothing but primary key table dot your primary key column equal to foreign key table dot foreign key column. So like that, we are going to use your this thing. Fine. So this is about your, and as well as joins can also be used in other clauses such as group by, weight, subqueries, aggregates, functions, etc. Got it? So that is about your joins. Now we'll see some introduction about views. So generally views are nothing but virtual table that do not store any data of their own, but display some data stored in other tables, right? So what we are doing, so what I have done here, so I'm not creating anything. So if you observe this previous thing, this is your view, right? This is your view. Got it. Now I am making, this is already created, right? This already I'm having tables, customer, nothing but left it, I'm created. So I have customers tables, orders table. Again, I'm performing right join. Again, I'm performing left join. Now the whatever the resultant set I'm getting now going to save as what name? Full join view. I'm going to save as full join view. Got it. So like this we can create it. Like this we can create it. Again, if you remember, now let's create some more thing. What operations can be performed in views? I have created now orders. Select star from orders. Now I want to create one more view. Suppose I want to create order view. Nothing but create view name as order view as what statement? Select a star from orders. Select a star from orders. Okay. Now how to again print? Select a star from your order view name. Nothing but from spelling. From order view name like this. Now it is doing same just like order. Now it's a virtual table, temporary table. Now let's see. Can I perform some actions or not? Can I perform insertion or not in my view? If I perform insertion in view, is it going to reflect or not in my MySQL? Now what I am doing means insert into ODV values. Now I am inserting one order ID as 1017 and as well as some order is called some backs. Again, I'm using some ID equal to 17. Let us order customer ID equal to 17. Cost is 9 something like this I have given. Okay, now is it going to reflect your both orders tables and views table? Let me check it. Select a star from, first we'll check view table. Fine. 17 has order, right? Yes, it is added. Now is it going to reflect your main table? Check it. Select star from orders. Yes, here also it is updated, right? Yeah. Now let me check. Now I will perform some update action. We'll perform some update. Update. So what I am trying to do means update order view. So what I want to update order view means, so previously your pen drive cost is 12,000. So let us imagine your pen drive cost is, now it has been updated like this. Set order cost equal to order cost. Let us imagine this guy, Amazon Prime, what is imagine, has expired. Now Amazon is charging some call. What is he charging means, now he is charging one delivery fee. Let us he's charging 100 rupees. So I'm updating it. So plus 100 to whom? Where? So order ID equal to 1001. Where order ID equal to 1001. Now is it going to reflect your view and as well as your orders? Let's check it. Select a star from your first view table, order view. So is it updated? Yes, from 1200 to 1300 it updated. And again try to check, is it updated to your orders table? Even it is updated in orders table, right? Now again what we can perform, check it. Suppose I have deleted. Delete from order view. So what I am deleting means from order view where order ID equal to 1017. 1017. Okay, again try to check. Select start from your order view. Yes. Is it deleted? 1017 is deleted. Again try to check your orders main table. Nothing but your select start from order. Updated, right? Okay, now let's go to summary of your views so that you can understand better. So views are nothing but what, dear? They are virtual tables. They do not contain the data that is written, right? And as well as the data is stored in the tables references. How? By using select statements we are going to store in my views, right? So views plays an important role, right? Nothing but to improve security of the database by showing only the intended data to authorized users. And as well as we can hide the sensitive data, and it is making life easy as you don't write to complex queries again and again. So once we have written some complex query, we can save as some view. Again, we can call it n number of times. Yes. Now previous version, it is not possible to update, insert and delete your views. Now from now it is update. It is possible to use insert, update and delete on views. These operations will change the underlying tables also. Got it? The only consideration, the view should not contain not null columns. So when it is not column contents, we can't perform updates to views. We can't perform updates to views. So this is all about your, what is it? Joins, unions, union alls, views, And as well as we have learned one more topic, what is how to update and delete also, right? Update and delete. Now we'll perform one more important interview question. That question is how to perform joins for more than one table. How to perform joins for more than one table. So how to perform joins? Let us imagine we have a table called customers. Okay. In which, let us imagine I have two columns. I have two columns. What are the columns means? Customer ID, customer name, customer ID, customer name, in which customer ID will become primary key, right? Customer ID will be your primary key. And let us imagine there is one more table called orders, in which I am having like this: order ID, order name, order cost, OC ID. Here, order ID will become primary key. Why? Because this primary key might going to act as a foreign key in some other table. Whereas OCID will become your foreign key. OCID will become foreign key. Ignore my typo mistakes. OCID will become foreign key. Nothing but, so this is primary key. Now this primary key is going to act as a foreign key. Which one? OCID. Now there is one more table. Let us imagine a table called sales or delivery. Okay. So what is we are having means, okay, let's go with delivery or sales, any one thing. So here I am having sale ID, and next of all sales agent name. Next of all I am having sale order ID, sale order ID. Here now SID is going to play as a primary key, because this SID can be treated as a foreign key in some other table. Now this SOID is referring to which one? SOID now will become foreign key for which one? Orders ID. Orders ID. Now this will become as what? Foreign key. This will become as foreign key. Foreign key. Now what I am trying to do means, now see how to perform joins for more than two tables. Now I want to have columns like this. Select customer ID, customer name, order ID, order name, order cost, who is the agent, delivery agent, and agent name. Agent name. Okay, fine. So these are the details. These are different columns from three different tables. Now, how to perform joins means first try to perform join for two tables. First try to perform, you know, right, how to perform joins for two tables. So let us imagine this is your inner join or right join or left to join. What are this join? What is your second table? Second table name is orders. Now after that, I need to join on which basis? On which basis I need to join your primary key? What is your first table primary key is customers, right? So what is primary key column in that one? CID is a primary key column. Now what is second table name? Second table name is orders. What is foreign key there? OCID will be foreign key. So like that we can perform joining of two tables. Now after that again I need to perform joining of third table. So again you need to write your inner join or your left to join, your right join, inner join. Now you need to perform join for these two tables now. You need to perform now orders and sale. And how to perform that? Now what is your second table? Nothing but this orders. Right now orders will become first table, sales will become second table. Now what is your orders? In orders, what is your primary key? In orders, OID is a primary key, right? Nothing but dot OID equal to, what is your next table? Sales. What is foreign key there? Foreign key is SOID. Foreign key is what? Dot SOID. Like that we can perform joins for more than two tables, three tables. Next, fourth table. For performing for fourth table, again what you need to do, write your respective join. On which basis you need to write? On which basis? Nothing but third table name dot primary key equal to fourth table name dot their foreign key. So like that now we can extend it up to n number of joins we can perform it. So this is all about your joins, dear. We have discussed what is meant by joins, what is meant by views, how to perform update and delete, and what is meant by views we have seen, and how to perform union and union all, and how to perform joins for more than three tables. Got it? This is all about your joins, my dear folks.